Alright, so second time's a charm. Sorry about that. Okay, hang on. Let me get rid of this real quick because we're going to need to remake that. So there we go. Okay. Normally I wouldn't have a display caption running, but I do. Now, it's just a quick OBS tutorial. Somebody had asked how to set it up so that they could stream games. You can download OBS. Just Google OBS. It's free. The current version of OBS is 21.1.0. It'll create a icon on your desktop, at least it should. Hang on, yeah. OBS Studio. That's the one you want. Okay? So you just open up OBS. And it won't have a display capture because I enabled that because I'm recording the video. So you'll come down here to the plus, right? Where it says add under sources. You'll click add, and then you'll click game capture, right? And because we're going to be capturing Dauntless, we'll name it the name of the game, right? Now then, you can set it to just capture any full screen game. If you're going to be switching games a lot, that's actually not too bad of an idea, but I don't. What I do is I go capture specific window. I don't have the game up yet, right? So you'll fire the game up. So now you have your game running, you have your OBS running. Okay? This is all stuff you do before you ever start streaming, okay? Now then, once the game's up, go back to OBS. Okay? And then grab your... Oh, no, it doesn't have it in the list yet, so we'll wait. Okay. Now then, still not in the list. Let's go back. And game capture. Alright, now we'll just edit it, right? So we go to properties here. Capture specific window. Find the name of the game on this list. Click that. Okay. So now you have your display capture. If you want your webcam, you can enable a capture for that under sources and whatnot. And what you want to do is drag your whatever you want on top with a transparent background, if you're using a green screen or whatever, to the top of the list so that it's above the, well, hang on, there we go. Yeah, you'll want to drag it to the top of the list here so it's above and on front, right? So, now then, in order to start streaming, what you'll do is you'll come up here to the file, you'll go to settings, okay? This brings up the settings. You go to stream, streaming services, okay? Alright. For YouTube, you'll pick YouTube, or YouTube/YouTube Gaming. For Twitch, you'll pick Twitch. Then you'll go server, automatic, which is fine, or, you know, you can pick your server wherever's closest to you. Stream key. For your stream key, what you'll have to do is go to YouTube. And I'm going to go ahead and shut the game down because we don't need it right now. So that it's not hogging extra resources, I'm going to shut it. Okay, we'll go to YouTube. Oh my god. Cortana, you're supposed to take care of that. Okay. We'll go to Creator Studio. Okay. And then I believe you go to live streaming. And yeah, there's your stream key. Okay? So what you'll want to do is reveal this. I'm not revealing mine. You can't have my stream key. And then copy it. And in OBS, you'll paste it here. And you can have it show it so that, you know, whatever. And then you'll just click OK. Now you're ready to stream. So when you want to go live on YouTube or whatever streaming surface, you'll hit Start Stream. It'll let you know that you're live. There should be, I think, a little red light down here. And it's that simple. Like I said, OBS is real intuitive to use and stuff. If you want transition and scene changes like the BRB screen or the starting soon screen, stuff like that, after you're comfortable using OBS, you could download Streamlabs OBS, and that has a lot of those features built in. For that, you just go to streamlabs.com, right? Okay. And just get Streamlabs OBS. If you make a Streamlabs account, you can enable donations through Streamlabs, direct to PayPal, or via credit card. You can make, you know, there's a lot Streamlabs can do. But if you're just wanting a very basic stream, I would still recommend basic stock vanilla OBS. Get comfortable with it, and then when you're ready to take it to the next level, you can move to Streamlabs and, you know, find some transitions and some stuff like that. As far as music on YouTube, they don't like music, so you can't play music while you're streaming unless it is specifically copyright free, which you can find copyright free music out there. Or if you like the dance electro type music, you can pay a group, I guess it's a group of DJs or whatnot called Monster Cat, roughly $5 a month, and have their music whitelisted on YouTube or Twitch. It's $5 per service, or you can pay by the year for, I think, like $60. But actually, it may be less than that. It's been a while since I checked, but it's $5 a month for 12 months, you know. So it's not bad. And have their music whitelisted so you can play music in the background. You would then, I believe they have a player or something, app or something you can download that makes sure that handles that. But yeah. Anyways, that's a short OBS tutorial. If you have any more questions, just get a hold of me. I'll see what I can do to make another video for this. Thank you for watching.